you have a set, and in this set you have objects, low key, describing low key, in a multi-dimensional space, most likely. In a simple way, you might, for example, want to see it visually as a picture. So that structure we have here, let me adjust this a bit because it's probably not seeing it. So just this that you have there is a graph, because we have a set of nodes and the edges between them, and we could say this is a set, and you find that it has its relatives of parameter, which is the low key. So we could say that and that, and we could use this function to essentially map to an RGB set, and we could use that to determine in a certain way. In a certain way and unambiguously what color each of those nodes should be, or even the edges themselves. Things which would give us information that is based on the configuration of things, not how you think or said about how it is given a certain